So this one was quite fun to make because I recorded all of this stuff in, I think, the same library, but it never really came to mind that you can use fireworks for this kind of effect. So the main sound that you hear at the beginning, I think, is this, which is a small spinner firework. Pretty sizable fire whoosh, apexing and then getting cut off. And a shorter fire whoosh. So all of these have been cropped so that they work as an onset together. Like so. Also, I forgot to mention there's a bit of synth elements here too. And then there's the body, which again has both synthesized and recorded elements.